देवकार आयज ही पत्रकार परिशद घेवपा पडलें कारण म्हळ्यार आमचे हालींच साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मडगांव स्कूल कॉम्प्लेक्स कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीचे फायनान्शियल फिगर्स डिक्लेअर जाले, ऑडिट कंप्लीट ऑडिटेड स्टेटमेंट अवेलेबल जाले. जो लास्ट सेक्रेटरी आमचे सुदीप रेडकर, बाय सरिता फर्नांडीस, वायस चेअरमॅन ट्रेजरर बाय लोरेन्सिया वाज, जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर मेंबर, विल देसाई एडवायझरी बोर्ड मेंबर. जी ये 45th year of हांव म्हणटलो 45th year of excellence, that every year there is a growth shown by the society since 1980, its inception, which was started with a very few members, 36 members with 12,000 as a share capital. Today we have got 2,200 members with 3.73 crores of a share capital. We give loans in the form of a personal, housing and vehicle loan with the interest rate very competitive and reasonable in the market. 8.5% for vehicle, 9% for personal loan, and 9.5% for personal loan, 9% for housing. Similarly, there are deposit facilities, fixed deposits, and various recurring deposit schemes. This is a self-sufficient society wherein whatever deposits we get, same amount is dispersed in the form of a loan by taking appropriate decisions in the board of directors meetings, which are held twice in the month. So this year, when figures came out, it is observed that after audit of the statements, we have seen 48.5 crores of a business has been done by the society, earning a net profit of 89.15 lakhs. I think it's a very high figure for many years of the society's progress. The board of directors in the meeting held recommended a dividend of 8.5% to its shareholders. It comes to amount around almost 27 lakhs. Out of the profit that we have earned, 50% of the profit will be shared with those members who are doing business with the society. We call it as a patronage. So that amount itself is around 11.94% of the share capital. So the total returns is 20% of the share capital that will be distributed to the members in general. So this will be done. So total amount comes to around 75 lakhs that is to be distributed to the members or returned back to the members. We have a general body meeting to be held on 21st of August, on which the appropriate resolution will be taken and the online transfer of these amount into their respective saving accounts will be done. Apart from this financial business, society also conducts various welfare activities, like we organize seminars for teachers, educational seminars for teachers and students. We also felicitate the children of the members of the society who perform exceedingly well in their public examinations right from 10th standard to postgraduate, including professional educations like engineering and medicine. Every year we felicitate students from each taluka. Like last year we had felicitated students from Kurchare taluka. This year society has recommended to felicitate, board has recommended to felicitate the students from Honda taluka, which is added to our area population 2 years back. We also felicitate teachers who improve their educational activities, like for example, particularly those who complete a PhD in the given year. For those teachers also, there is always we organize a felicitation program. And very important is we support the educational activities of various educational institutions across the South Goa, whoever approach as and when required. So these are the brief thing about our society that work. We have a very efficient board of directors who whose support made it possible to grow our society from a small 36 members to this extent, and being very transparent, earns a profit and shares it with their members, returns back to their respective members, for which I thank my board of directors, advisory board, members of the society, educational institutions. Our staff is also very efficient and very cooperative to the people who visit our society. I also thank head the institutions and management of various educational institutions, and once again appeal them to allow the teachers and the non-teaching staff to join our society and avail the benefits and the facilities available with us. And I seek similar guidance from and support from them in future. Particularly, I thank the members of the media and press who have been supportive to these institutions, which has helped us to reach out to the people across the South Goa. And I seek your support in future as well in cooperation. Thank you. कळ्ळें वता प्रत्येक जणाक एक ट्रस्ट फेथ आसा की आमी जे कितें वेव्हार हांगा करतले ताका फुल सेक्युरिटी आसतली, कंप्लीट सेक्युरिटी, बिकॉज आवर बिजनेस इज कंप्लीट ट्रान्सपरंट. Most of the transactions are done digitized. Online transfers are done. We have a facility of a QR code. We have a facility of RTGS, NEFT. So these things we have introduced one by one. Secondly, our staff is very efficient, who cooperates. They travel to various institutions. Since we are all teachers here, therefore morning time we cannot work. Whatever time available with us, we try to give voluntarily to the institution for its growth. And we being teachers and facilities for teachers and non-teaching staff, all the people who are working in the field of education, we get support from them, and more people will definitely join year after year and avail the benefits. That's how the profit is. Message to shareholders and the institutions. To add to your question, shareholders' message is the trust and faith that you have shown in all these years, for last 45 years particularly, keep it and rest assured that this society will be in the forefront in continuing with the business activities very transparently in years to come and achieve bigger milestone in years. So be confident that you are in the safe financial institutions.